After 3 days of testimony, the prosecution has rested in the murder trial of former police officer Aaron Dean.
This as police and medical experts reveal new details into the shooting death of Atatiana Jefferson. Jason Allen has been in the courtroom and is live inside the Tim Curry Criminal Justice Center with a recap for us. Jason?
Karen, I think you described it well right there, that was a somewhat unexpected development. Even when court ended for the day, it wasn't really completely clear that this was the end for the prosecution, but we confirmed this afternoon that this is it. Their part in the trial is done, and this comes on a day after the first two somewhat emotional days. Today, the trial sort of shifted and transitioned into the investigation process that occurred when this happened 3 years ago. That included testimony from the first two crime scene investigators who were on scene, the first major case investigator, the paramedic who arrived, and then also finally, the medical examiner. Those last two explained for the jury how there was really nothing anybody could do to save Jefferson from that single gunshot wound, that single shot from Dean's gun. One of the jurors appeared to be having a hard time leaning forward, covering her mouth as some of the autopsy photos were shown. And the defense team had tried to keep several of those photos from being shown in court, and the judge agreed on some of those. Most of the questions today really did come from Dean's defense. They tried to poke a lot of holes in the police process, not unusual in a case like this or in any homicide case. They also used the opportunity, though, to have officers confirmed it would have been normal for police to go into the backyard that night, and that it was also a part of the city where crime was common. Tatiana's sister, Ashley, also testified today. She finished up the testimony, Ken and Karen, just looking at a couple of pictures, once again, of Atatiana Jefferson.
And Jason, I understand there was also something that happened in the courtroom that drew a reaction from Jefferson's family and friends. What was that?
It did, and it required attorneys to come back a second time there toward the end of the day to address this again. Dean's defense team wanted to ask about the toxicology report from Atatiana Jefferson, specifically that it shows some traces of methamphetamines and amphetamines. A lot of heads in the courtroom, especially from Jefferson's family and friends, started shaking at that. And the prosecution came back and said they didn't think that there was really any reason to bring that up, that the amounts were so small that it wouldn't have made any difference in her actions that night. The judge went ahead and let them ask the question outside of the presence of the jury, and that was really the response as well from the medical examiner who came back. The amounts were so small it would have been difficult for him to determine what impact it would have had on how she acted that night, if any at all.
All right, Jason Allen live for us inside the courtroom. We appreciate the update.